Well, welcome to week 4. We're going to look at AIs and we're going to begin Project 1. Now, Project 1, of course, is here. It is the description. It's the AI generated reference list. And you find it, well, major assignments reference list. Okay? So that's what we're going to start working on. We're going to start working on Project 1. First of all, you're going to do a little bit of reading on what AI is, what they do, what their purpose is. But remember, AI, while it appears to think, it's not really thinking. It's not sentient. It doesn't know it's alive. It thinks by going through vast amounts of information and putting these together and giving them to you in an algorithm. So it's not alive, all right? So we're going to work on Project 1. And Project 1 is asking Gemini, do not use any other AIs, use Gemini, to create a 10-source reference list for you. Now, what the AI does, it goes out, it searches the internet for sources on whatever topic. Here is a prompt, and then it provides you this information. Since it searches the internet, it doesn't make stuff up. ChatGPT will make stuff up. I played with this all summer, and it just makes stuff up for you. When you have a list that you're happy with, save it as a Word document. And then that Word document, you're going to have to create an APA formatted reference list. And that, if you go to our home page, Project 1, here are all sources that tell you how to generate an APA reference list. If you want, you can use a generator like Noodle Tools. If you want access to Noodle Tools, let me know. I have a subscription to it. I can put a link to it in our navigation if you want. But you're going to do that. You're going to create this APA generated reference list, because what you get from the AI is not going to be correct. It won't have spaces and italics and this and that. It won't be in alphabetical order. So those are things that you have to do. Okay. Once you do that and you're happy with it, you're going to select one source from it, and you're going to do the crap analysis of that source. And here's what it is. Here's the worksheet. Tells you what to do. Here's what the worksheet looks like. Here are the sources of currency. Not money, but how current is it? Relevance. Authority. Who's putting this together? Where does the source come from? Why does it exist? Now, some of these, this is for a website. Yes, you'll have some websites in there, because those will be tertiary sources. What does it tell you about it? If your source is a journal article and doesn't have a website, well, no, you really wouldn't put it. Unless you're putting a DOI, a digital object indicator, which goes back to this is a journal article that lives online. It's not a web page, it's a journal article that lives online. So you're going to have to dig through, and you may need some help with this. You may need to go and talk to the research librarians to see what sources you have. And if you do, let me give you a hint. Find out what kind of Starbucks that librarian likes and what their favorite treat is, and work with them. You'll work with this person all 4 years you're in the university. They love to research. They have advanced degrees in research. So yeah, they're a good person to know, and they will help you. They'll be glad to help you. And so once you get that one source, the APA citation is correct, the crap analysis is done, you're going to copy that and paste it in to the discussion forum. There's no reflection due. And then for the student response, you're going to provide feedback on the APA citation, the correctness of it, the crap analysis, are all points being covered. And that's it. And if you have any questions, as always, just shoot me an email. Bye.